so hello everyone. Hi, how are you all? Today we are going to see, is the person on your mind manifesting you secretly? Okay, so this is a collective reading because if you have somebody on your mind, okay, then only you'll click on this reading. Okay, what was it? On this tarot reading, okay, maybe you were hesitant, or maybe it just like this person is hesitant whenever they're in front of you, okay, or maybe they like, they don't usually like, find it hard to express themselves, but with you they do find it hard. So this made you question, is this person on my mind, can they really like, are they into me, is this like, is this crush, it is going to work out, you are questioning. And let's see if the person on your mind, is this person secretly manifesting you back, okay, as well. Okay, we're gonna see. Okay, I have a lot of decks today, especially for you guys. I have like a lot of decks, like I have this, that I have this and that, and I'm like everything. We are going to start with beautiful energies. First we are going to have protection, okay, so protection from all the evil eyes. Okay, so this is a sigil card. Okay, if you want this, you can contact me, I'll provide. Okay, I'll just, okay, right, what do you mean, this person might provide for you, they want to provide for you. Okay, suddenly I'm this, like, look at me, like I am in this energy. Okay, let's see. I am really curious to start this reading as well. Okay, wow. Then we have self-love. Okay, these are the sigil energies that I wanted for this reading. Self-love. If you love yourself, everyone around you will love you. Okay, again, for if you want this card for yourself as well, you can connect with me on Instagram and WhatsApp, and yeah, let's contact there. Okay, true love, this will protect, shield and guide you towards true love. This card is for great manifestations. Okay, you simply had to put these cards, like you can put it in your wallet, in your books, wherever you are most frequently. Okay, to your workplace, to your laptop, anywhere where you're close to, so this energy flows through you. Okay, then we have friend. I believe true love is all about good companionship and friendship. Okay, friendship is a great foundation of love. Okay, so we also have friendship for you as well. So everyone, with this beautiful positive energies and this protection from everywhere, let's get into our reading. Hi, this is going to be a collective reading. I know you're excited, I'm excited as well. Let's see, is this person manifesting you back secretly? First we're going into your energy, so you know that this is my reading. Okay, you need to make sure that this is my reading. Your energy is the king. Okay, the king. Okay. Okay, let me show you the cards and then I'll just, okay, explain their meanings. And when we go through the cards, then we will see what are the messages. Okay, then we have the vision. Okay, great. And we have Anima Mundi. So when I got this card, I was like, I was doing a reading, so I thought that this card showed up again, and I reshuffled and this just popped out, like, flew away and it came out of my desk, and I was like, we gotta take this card, we have to take this card, this wanted to come out. So yes, Anima Mundi as well. Then we have, let's go on with your energy. Your energy is sorted. Okay, sorted, this is a word for you straight out of my mouth. It's like you're sorted, you have your things sorted out. Okay, you're not one to mingle into short-term things. Maybe you used to, but now you just don't, or maybe you have never dated anyone before. Okay, this is your like first crush or something. Okay, this please remember, this is a general reading, so I will have messages for all of you. So some messages are for you and some are for someone else, so make sure you take whatever is for you and leave the rest. Okay, yeah, let's go. So the king with number 12, hello Mr. Transformation, okay, Mr. Transformation, Miss Transformation, your Jupiter is strong, okay, so you have this transformative energy, okay. You could be those people that step into a shop and suddenly the shop just fills. The cafe was empty, now the cafe is full with customers. So this is your energy is so transformative that wherever you go, things just happen, okay. You are our good luck people, you have great luck, you have highly protection from the universe, okay. You are protected by your guides and sisters, okay. That is also there with king. I see you guys might support some kind of political party, okay. This is a specific message, okay. You might be in some political party, okay. Wow, strong people, I see you guys are strong. With sortedness, I see that you guys are sorted but strong, okay. So you're strong, you're resilient, and you are stubborn as well. So you are also stubborn. You don't listen, do you? You don't, I know. You listen, but you just do what you want to do. That's also there. With the king, I see you guys can guide people, okay. You are like, maybe you are the family member that people come to for resolutions, okay, for like some matters that they want to sort out with other family members, so they come to you for your guidance, for your advice, okay. That's also coming through for you. And with this person you're thinking of, if you know them, this is like you guys have a 2D connection, okay. You guys you think of them and you suddenly dream of something like they're somewhere. You just have a vivid dream of like this person is sitting and talking to someone, and you even get shocked that why did I dream of them, okay. Why did they appear in my dream, and what was the situation? It's like it's like you're so much in their energy, and they're also so much in your energy that you guys literally talk, like you take your soul to their position, okay. This is so strong and this is so magical. So the vision with you, okay, so this is like you guys are talking through 2D world, okay. Look at the owls in this card if you can, okay. Look at the hands, and this is like a whole sacred vision. This is like something that is so auspicious, and this is like something which is protected as well, okay. This is like protected. This connection, this is it's not a joke that you're just thinking of them. It's not a joke that you dream of them. They are also heavenly thinking of you. They are also coming in your dreams. And if some of you are asking for your future spouse, or some of you just click that you have this imaginary man, imaginary women in your dreams, and you're like I just feel connected with someone. I have never met them, I have never seen them, but I just feel their energy, okay. You feel their energy, some weird like sometimes they just pop up in your dreams like out of nowhere. You don't know this man, okay. You see sometimes their eyes, you see sometimes their face, or you just see and you forget, okay. This is also a part of your conversation that you talk and you forget, okay, in the 2D world, okay. You guys meet, you talk, you exchange energy, but then you guys forget, and you're like, it's so hard to remember their face, okay. This could also be happening with you. I see you guys are twin flame, you guys are resonating, and it's like your energy is resonating, okay. This person's energy is like exact like your energy, okay. This person has the same goals. This person looks like, oh, so one of you is more on the cunning side, like you guys, some of you might are cunning. You're like cunning, I just look at the card. One owl is a little calmer, sweet. They have innocence in his face, and one is just strikingly like a model face, okay. One is like will look through your soul, One is on the kind, soft sides. I believe they are the more whoever this person is more feminine. Okay, you'll resonate if this is your energy or their energy. And one is like, you know, they'll see through you. One is more seductive. One is like, you know, hi. One is like, hi. This is the energy of both of you. Okay, you guys would love to hold hands. Okay, in your dreams you guys hold hand. You share some kind of physical touch. You share some kind of physical intimacy in your dreams or in your 2D connection. You know it better. Okay, you guys are also intimate. Okay, it's like you guys you have a good intimacy with this person. And our question is this person secretly manifesting you back? Yes, they're subconsciously aware that you are the one for them. This person is subconsciously aware. Angels are showing them signs that this is your person, this is your person. You might be seeing a lot of signs. Okay, so yeah, that is there. 414, some kind of number that will pop up like repetitive mirror. This number will pop up when you are about to meet this person. Okay, if you are asking for your imaginary boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. Okay, like you know their energy and you're aware of their energy emotionally, subconsciously, but you've never seen them in real life. So this is for you. Okay, this is for you, dear. Wow. Yeah, it's a yes. Okay, let's see more. What is this person you know is like? What are their deepest thoughts? Let's just go ahead and see all about them. Okay. Okay, if so far this is resonating with you, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and if you can donate, please do. And if you can't, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much for being here, letting me do your reading. And if you're enjoying, make sure you definitely claim this reading. Okay, claim this energy. And now we are going to see from tarot. Okay, so when will this person actually make a move towards you? Okay, when will this person actually make a move towards you? When can you expect them to make a move towards you? Or when can you expect to, like, you know, if you're subconsciously aware of them, when can you expect this person to reach out to you? Let's see. Two of Pentacles, beautiful energy. This is a vibe of good foundation. This person will come with a good offer, some kind of offer, some kind of something that won't come off as you know, I want to be with you. More like I want to partner with you, I want to invest in you, I like your idea, let's collaborate. Okay, so this is that energy. This is how they will initiate a conversation with you, like work like approach. Okay, so it won't, like, you know, it won't intimidate you, or it won't give away their thoughts or their whole, you know, thing that, oh well, you know, their agenda. It won't clear out their agenda, but still they want to, like, you know, at least reach out to you. So yeah, this is how they are coming in front of you with an offer. Wow. Okay, when can you guys expect to have a real conversation? Let's see when can these beautiful beings can expect a real conversation. The Star in reverse, not now, not this at the moment, like not even in your near future. You guys are going to play friends a lot. Okay, you guys are going to be like friends a lot. So friend. Okay. And with the Star in reverse, I see one of you like being totally unaware that this is why. Maybe they will make maybe this person will approach you, but then they'll disappear, but then they won't show any more signs. They will take their time. So it's like, I just want to be in this their thought is like, I just want to be with this person right now, I want to feel their energy, and I want to observe. So this is somebody who will observe you. Okay, you are very attractive, you might get approached by a lot of people according to this person, so they want to see how you really are. So this person is somebody who likes to take their time. Okay, this person is like, I would love to take my time with you. Okay, so yeah. King of Cups, what a sweetie. Okay, this person is really sweet and they will help you emotionally if you ever feel bad. Like, once you guys connected, once you are like in a friend-like relationship, this friend of yours will support you through, okay, this person, this friend of yours, because I see you guys are going to start off like friends. So this friend of yours, new friend of yours, will support you like a very solid friend. Okay, somebody who you can call at 2 a.m. and they'll be like, hello, do you need me right now? I can come. Okay, great. Okay, so when can they expect that? Okay, when will this person, what should we see now? Let me think. Okay, when will this person make a real move towards you? Why will they make this real move towards you that will, put some kind of claim, put some kind of it's like this move, this action will make it sure that, yeah, I really like this person. When will they make a very strong move towards you that will make sure for you to that, yes, this person really likes me? Okay, I believe you understood my question. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for cooperating. Jealousy. This is the thought that I got first. The devil. Sorry, not sorry. This person is like, sorry, not sorry. Okay, so this person will make it out of jealousy. Oh my gosh, this is so, it's like they're your best friends, they're your friend, they are your companion, they're your colleague. Okay, you recently joined in this group, you recently joined in this company, and this is like, this person helps you a lot. They're like your good friend. You don't even consider them as your crush or something, but they are just on your mind a lot. They help you a lot. Okay, they're there, but then one day they'll just come and for some of you I heard hug you. Maybe you're emotional or something. I don't know. Applies to your situation. What you're doing. Okay. So they just come and hug you. Okay. Or maybe they'll just like, for this is like for a lot of people. So for some of you I get a really text. I'm getting text, but the text is not clear to me, so I'm so sorry. Okay, we'll take from the messages card. Okay, we'll get to know it. So text. Okay, some kind of text that will make you'll be like, why are they texting me like this? Why is this person acting like this? It's out of nowhere. Jealousy. They finally want to put claim on you. They finally put name on you. Like, they're like, if I play more, or if I like, if I don't make it sure for you that yes, I am interested in you, maybe you'll take someone else, maybe you'll go with someone else. Or for this is a specific message, if they see someone approaching you but they have bad intentions for you, so this person is suddenly come in front of you and be like, whoa, wait, not because this is my person. Okay, and you'll be shocked. Okay, so yeah, if somebody with bad intentions approaches you, they will make them definite move. They'll just confront and they're like, back off my person. And for some of you it's a text, it's a steamy, it's a text, it's a daring test. Okay, text. Okay, I mean text. Okay, test. What is test? Maybe they were testing you a lot and you knew it, and you're like, this person is testing my patience right now. enough with their friends games. Now I'm just gonna go with somebody else, and you're like, I'm going on a date. You're like, you're out of nowhere, you're just in front of this person, you'll go like, I'm going out on a date. Or maybe they assume that you're going out with somebody else, you're going to be with someone else, and they'll be like, I like you. Yeah, I do. They'll hug you, and they'll just put their hands on your shoulder, some kind of physical touch. They will be in your they will be in your area, okay, in your private area. No, I mean they in your surface, in your private, in your safety net, okay. Do you think I should cut that off? I'm gonna think later. Anyways, let's just do our reading. So some kind of, first we got is jealousy. I tried my best to describe your situation, okay. Let's see more. Some kind of, definitely, like, making sure that others know that that person is interested in you, okay. This is there, and this is like also coming out of insecurity. So they might get insecure finally, that, oh my gosh, what if somebody else takes up the Empress. Look at you. Hi beautiful, hi handsome. You are the Empress, okay. You are so attractive, you are almost addictive, okay. They're addicted to you, and there's something about your energy that is just so nurturing, okay. So it's like, when somebody comes close to you, they feel so warm and safe, okay. This person also feels this way, and if somebody just comes a lot, like, somebody comes too close to you, they'll just be like, back off. No, this is mine. This person is mine, okay. I like this person. Let's take some messages, okay. These are the messages. Either it's like a word from them, or it's like, some kind of signs you will know, or it's some kind of traits that this person has. Look at the beautiful cards, okay. These cards are really pretty. Oh, don't fall, okay. Someone is also playing hard to get. Maybe this is your energy or their energy. Someone thinks that they're playing hard to get. Okay, one card. Card we got is like spot on, okay. A rose. They will give you a rose, some kind of flower exchange, gift exchange, a token of something, a token of friendship, love is also there. Let's see more. Okay, this card keeps getting. Okay, now I'll show you the cards, okay, so don't worry. Some of you are, okay, so I think that is enough, right? We have enough cards. First card that I got is partnership, best friend, partners in crime, friends. What did I tell you about friendship? Okay, so this is your card. This is their intentions with you. This is how you'll start, okay, your relationship. Okay, now the second card we have is two cards, okay. Leave right now, run away, think of something else. Some of you are in a toxic relationship, might be in a toxic relationship, or this person might know that this situation is not good for you. So this is their thought, like. So some kind of background noise was there on my end, so I cleared it out, okay. Anyways, let's go ahead. We were reading. Why would you do this to me? Never forgive, forgiveness, revenge. Someone of you are thinking of your ex-partner as well, and this person you're thinking right now doesn't want you to go back to your ex. Okay, we have then collector, high position, connection, real estate. This person, we are talking about somebody who is highly admired, highly wanted, or maybe you question that why do I like this person a lot. They are not around my age, they are older to me, they are so high in status, they are my boss, they are my professor. Some of you, this is okay, this is a general reading, please take whatever resonates with you, leave the rest, okay. And this, if this is not you, don't take it. I'm just talking about somebody who is highly, wanted. Like, this is a bachelor who everybody wants, a girl that everybody wants to wife up, okay. So yeah, collector, high position, connection, real estate, okay. I notice you when you're not looking. I can feel you everywhere. This person snake peeks on you. They look at you when you're not looking at them. So this person has eyes for you, and they're like, they're looking at you, then they're like, yeah, I get that, yeah, but then they're like this. So this person is looking at you. I notice you when you're not looking. I can feel you everywhere. What a cutie. Then we have lying to you, forced to do, thief, gains from you. Someone is toxic here. Okay, so this person might lie to you about their feelings earlier, like, what, maybe you confessed to them and they were like, no, I'm not in this stage right now. Specific message for some, okay. And then it was like, it was forced, maybe their family forced you to just guys like separate or something. Some toxic relationship is also here, okay. So this person knows that you have been in a toxic situation before, okay. This person is aware of you, aware of your previous partnership as well. That's why they're using friends. That maybe you had a really traumatic past, and this person is like, what, I don't want to, like, I like you so much, I don't want this person to get intimidated by my feelings, so I just want to be friends first, okay. So maybe this was you were not ready, okay. You were not ready to be in a relationship, okay. Then we have hate to love, enemies to lovers, bully, bad boy, bad girl, egoistic. Guys, okay, so we have you guys, okay, so you are like kind of in a bad boy or in a bad girl. You guys are like, these characters, you may get attracted to you, or maybe you are attracting this kind of energies. So it's like hate to love. Someone has a really bad traumatic relationship before, because they're like, I don't even like to love. This person is so scared to be in love again. Whatever you're thinking of, or whoever you're thinking of, this person is also scared to be in love because they were hurt in their past, okay. This person was really hurt, okay. Enemies to lovers, some of you are like, I really hate them, I don't even like their face, then why are they in my dreams, okay. So yeah, enemies to lovers, you guys have so much, it's like you guys know that you can't be together, okay. They are like high, they are older to you, they're like, there's no way you guys can be together, it's a little taboo. But then the attraction, the intimacy, the physical connection, it's so strong to resist, okay. This person is egoistic, I will left to clear, okay. This person is egoistic because they really made themselves wherever they are with really hardships. Ego is not that bad, okay. If sometimes ego is also good, okay. So yeah, that was messages for you, okay. Then let's go and see, let's see if they can tell you something right now, what they would say. If this person is telling someone something to you right now, what would they say? Being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. Wow, this person wants to be your lover. This person wants to be your last. They might not be your first love, but they want to be your last. Or maybe they are your first love and they want to be your last love as well. If they can say this to you, they will say this to you right now. My heart is perfect because you are inside. Oh, this is so cute. My heart is perfect because you're inside. This person feels blessed to be in your energy, to encounter your energy. Okay, this person is like, thank God I saw someone like that. I should have never missed someone so beautiful. Okay, they didn't want to miss out on your energy. I don't have words for this. This is so beautiful. Let's see some of their traits. Okay, some of their just traits, something related to their physical traits or something. Okay, two cards. Okay, elevate, effective, energy, escape. Wow, this person wants to elevate you, help you. This person thinks that you guys are really attracted to each other, and with effective, I see you guys have a great effect on each other. You guys energy, we have the card energy, so yes, you guys are connected through subconscious. Okay, it's no joke that you think of them, that you think a lot about them. It's no joke that this person keep popping up on your feed, in front of your face, and some kind of signs you see about them, related to them. No joke. Okay, kind, knowledgeable, kindergarten, keen. This person is really kind. They are very highly knowledgeable. They are intelligent. Okay, this person is really intelligent, and they might be your, some of you might meet specific messages. Okay, this person might be your schoolmate. Okay, this person might you might meet in school, or you might have met in a school. Oh, this person was your classmate. I'm sorry, I forgot the word. This person might have been your classmate, and you're like, you know what, they have been my classmate. We meet after 5 years, and that's it. Like, they're just classmate. But then no, not just classmate. Okay, keen. This person is keen. They will get you. Okay, they will come towards you. They will make a move towards you. This is not someone who will give up. Okay, who will just simply bow down just because they have lost. They'll fight until they win. Okay, this person will fight until they win you back. For someone, I heard back, and for some of you who are in first love, first relationship ever, or long shot after a very single life. So let's see what is the okay, which crystal will help you to attract this person sooner in your life. Okay, if you are asking for your future spouse, or if you are subconsciously asking for this person's, what gemstones or bracelet will help you sorry, to attract this person even faster in your life. Citrine, we have citrine, light, happiness, abundance. Citrine is a happy stone full of light, warmth and abundance, powerful of manifestation. It helps one to achieve goals, clears negative energies by breaking up, dissolving and grounding them. It never absorbs negativity and will never need energetic cleansing. Okay. Strengthens mental clarity, confidence and willpower, enhances the inner light and sparks intuition, creativity and imagination. Okay, helps with chronic fatigue and increase energy and drive. Chakra, solar plexus. Beautiful energy. This is, if you need to wear citrine, wear it. Okay, this will help you. Beautiful message. And I also have citrine. Okay, yeah. This is citrine. Okay, yeah, maybe I'll also attract the love of my life really soon. Okay, so yeah, this is like, oh no, I want to take more. Let's talk, guys. Okay, so let's see, in your love life, what will happen next? In your love life, what will happen next? What can we expect next in your love life? Listen with your heart. You are listening, but you need to hear it with a loving heart. listen and observe their actions. Okay, you need to listen what they say. Okay, even if they say I don't want you, even if they say it's not the right time, try to see the deeper meaning to it. Try to see why is this person so scared of you. Okay, turn on your heart light, reflect on a time when you experience love. It's a need for you to be in love. Okay, and then you will see feathers as sign. We can see feathers, right? And something related to mermaid as well. And with mermaid I see it's like when you were in love last time, think what you're experiencing. Try to be in that energy. Okay, try to be in love again, try to be in that energy as well. Okay, we also see a phoenix, so you might see a phoenix dragon as well. Okay, in your love life we have this heart. Current feelings of this person, current feelings of this person for you. Let's see current feelings of this person for you right at the moment. Yes, I have a card. It is all too much passion, too much need, too much to be with you, too much to just be in your energy, too much of everything. Okay, this person wants you. Okay, this person wants too much. Of course, too much. Take some self-care guidance for you so you can attract this person, this energy really soon. We will be ending our reading on 444. Okay, we have 440 right now. So let's go. Okay, 4 minutes I like to spend with you. Oh wow, this person wants to spend time with you. Maybe they'll go like, just give me 4 minutes. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, I'll explain myself. This is energy of something or someone. Maybe you're looking out a specific message that connection was really special for you, but somehow you guys separated. Okay, so yeah, maybe they want to come back and they will come back with commitment. Okay, I can forgive myself and others. If you were hurt, if you are so, if you are unhealed right now, you can forgive yourself and others as well. So don't forget that. Okay, write this. Okay, this is your self-care guidance. I am inspiring people through my work. Okay, so I see you guys working hard for yourself. Okay, you guys are working hard for making money. Okay, again we have the card that, right, we come out that the card that come out was 2 of Pentacles, and that was in reverse, I believe. No, ठीक है ना. No, I was talking about something else. Okay. So we did got the card 2 of Pentacles. You're working hard for your money. You're making ideas. You're making efforts. You're analyzing. You are seeing what is wrong. So yes, you're really working hard on yourself, for yourself. Okay. So yes, you are inspiring people through your work. So don't worry. Okay, your efforts will turn out in your favor. You will be successful. Okay, I heard it. You will be successful. Wow, you will be successful. Okay, and so everyone, thank you so much for watching. This was it for today. For more such readings, you need to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel for gemstones and some kind of any kind of need you had for your gemstones or bracelets, energy healing, some kind of guidance. You can connect with me on Instagram and WhatsApp. The reading and they are highly energized by me for you. Okay, and yes, it was a wonderful reading. If you felt resonated, please okay, it supports me, it makes me want to do more, it makes me want to just go along, and it makes me acknowledge that yeah, I am like really doing work. Okay, it is helping people. Okay, it motivates me, it guides me in a way. Okay, your support, it matters a lot. Subscribe and press the bell icon for my next reading. Comment if you like to hear something else, or if you resonated, comment, or if you want to claim this reading 100% right 11/11. Okay, and okay, so I really want to tell you that be aware of you and how you are. Okay, your energy should be just you. Okay, just be aware of your energy. Okay, I'm aware of my energy, what am I doing, why am I doing this, okay, what's my path, and everything is sorted out, because that is in your energy, you're the king. Okay, so be in this energy if you want to attract this person really soon in your life. Okay, be in this beautiful energy of the king. Okay, you guys are meant to meet. Okay, and subconsciously who is the one for you. Okay, that's also there in the reading, and I will see you soon. I know I took a good time of yours, and as I said, we will be ending our reading on 444. So yes, we are going to meet really soon. This is the last message from the person on your mind for you. We are going to meet soon, and yes, let's meet. Take care.